Today we will be starting binary to decimal conversion. Yesterday we have learned about what is a decimal number system and binary number system. Today we will be learning about the process how can we convert a binary number to a decimal number. Let's begin. But before we start the conversion, we should know some rules. For example, 2 to the power n, and here is any number. For example, 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. If any number having power 0, that is always equal to 1. So here 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. So if any number which is having a power 0, this is known as power, will always be equal to 1. Now from 0 the power will increase to 1. So 2 to the power 1 equals to 2 into 1 will give us 2. Here we have to multiply 2 one time because 1 is the power. So 2 into 1 equals to 2. Similarly 2 to the power 2 means we have to multiply this 2 times, which will give us 2 into 2 equals to 4. 2 to the power 3 means we have to multiply 2 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2 which is equal to 8. So simply if we say whatever is the power, the number needs to be multiplied itself by that number. So here everywhere you can see 2 is constant. Why? In the binary number system 2 is the base value. In binary number system we have only two numbers, that is on and off. So in a binary number system the base value is 2 and the power here 0, 1, 2, 3 are the power which needs to be multiplied. That means 2 to the power 0 will always be 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2 into 1 equals to 2. 2 to the power 2 equals to 2 into 2. 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 8. So suppose we get here one more number 2 to the power 4. So we have to multiply 2 4 times. 2 to the power 5 we have to multiply 2 5 times. Now let us take an example to do the calculation. For example, 10112 is a binary number. Here please see students, 2 is already mentioned here because it is a base value. Now whatever number we do, always remember that it will start from the unit number. So 1 is the place value of unit. So 1 is the number itself. See, 1 is the number itself and base value in binary number system is 2. So 1 into 2 to the power 0 means 1 will be already here 1 into 2 to the power 0 means 1. So it is 1. If you remember, we have seen in the previous slide 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. So here 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. So calculation will be 1 into 1 equals to 2. Second place value is 1. The number itself is 1 into, now from 2 to the power 0 it will be 2 to the power 1. So 1 into 2, it will be multiplied one time. Next place value is 0. 0 into 2 to the power 2. So 0 is the place value, it will automatically come here. So 2 into 2, how many times we will multiply? 2 times. So 2 into 2 equals to 0. But since we know anything multiplied by 0 is always 0, the answer will be here 0. The next place value is 1. So 1 into 2 to the power 3. So 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 8. So you can notice each time you go with the number, the power is increasing by 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. If there was one more number here, then say 1 into 2 to the power 4. This number 1, 1, 0, 1 will automatically fall from the original number. See, 1 is here 1, 1 again is 1, 0 is 0, 1 is 1. So now how can we convert this into a number? As we have seen here 1. So the first binary calculation to decimal is 1. So 1 plus second answer is 2. 2 plus 0, 0, and here it is 8, 8. So answer is 11. The binary to decimal conversion of 1011 equals to 11. So this is how we are going to solve the problems from the conversion from binary to decimal. Children, if you have any doubt, please give in the comment box down below. And thank you for watching this channel. And please subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon to get notified for any next video. Thank you and have a great day.